The ROD 100, 300 and 500 series laser scanners operate using LiDAR technology and are designed for various industrial applications. They enable object detection, collision protection, contour measurement and navigation of automated guided vehicles. The sensors have a scanning angle of 275 degrees, an angular resolution of up to 0.025 degrees and a scanning frequency of up to 80 Hz. The maximum measuring distance is 25 meters. The ROD 100 is used, among other things, for protrusion detection on automated guided vehicles. It also allows simultaneous presence monitoring across multiple lines. The ROD 300 can be used, for example, for contour detection in warehouse logistics and for checking containers. The ROD 500 is suitable for autonomous vehicle navigation and precise contour measurement in production environments. All models stand out for their compact design of 80 mm in width, 80 mm in height and 85 mm in depth, which enables flexible integration into systems even where installation space is limited. Integrated window monitoring supports condition-based maintenance and helps enable predictive maintenance strategies. The robust IP67 rated design allows use in a temperature range from -30 to +60 degrees under demanding environmental conditions. The ROD series laser scanners provide a reliable solution for various tasks in manufacturing and logistics automation.